In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice template in Xero in 5 minutes. First, sign in to Xero, head to the Xero login page, click login and enter your credentials. Click login again to continue. If you manage multiple organizations, make sure you're logging into the correct one so the template is created where you need it. Once you're on the dashboard, open the menu by clicking your company name at the top, then choose settings. From there, go to invoice settings. This is where Xero stores your branding themes and the templates that control how your invoices look. At the top, open the new branding theme dropdown and choose custom.docx. This option lets you use a Microsoft Word file as a fully customizable template. Give your new theme a clear name you and your team will recognize later, then confirm by selecting OK. Scroll down to find the theme you just created and click download to get the starter.docx file. That file is your base template. Open it in Microsoft Word. You'll notice placeholders for things like invoice number, dates, customer details, line items, totals, and payment terms. Keep those fields intact. Don't convert them to plain text so Xero can automatically merge the right information. Now customize the layout to match your brand. Add your logo, adjust fonts and colors, change column widths, reorder sections, and update your payment instructions. Keep margins reasonable so nothing gets cut off when printed, and keep image sizes optimized so the file isn't too large. When you're happy, save the document as a docx file. Back in Xero, return to the invoice settings page for your new theme and click upload. Under the invoice section, choose browse, select the edited .docx you just saved, and then click upload to attach it to the theme. Xero will process and validate the file. If you see an error, it usually means a placeholder was removed or reformatted. Reopen the Word file, restore the field, and try the upload again. That's it. You've created a custom invoice template and linked it to a branding theme in Xero. From now on, when you raise an invoice with this theme, it will use your design automatically. As a quick tip, keep a copy of your template version somewhere safe, and when your branding or payment details change, update the Word file and re-upload it using the same steps. With this approach, you'll keep your invoices professional, consistent, and on brand in just a few minutes.